form. So the function is given in standard form, and standard form is ax squared plus bx plus c. And the vertex form is a times x minus h squared plus k, where h and k are the coordinates of the vertex. Now let's take a look at this example, the first one. The function that is given to us is x squared plus 6x plus 3. How can we convert this function to vertex form? First of all, in order to do this, we're going to identify a, which is coefficient in front of x squared, is 1. B is coefficient in front of x, which is 6. And C is 3. Now, in order to write the equation or the function on vertex form, we need to find out the coordinates of the vertex. Now, the formula to find h, the x coordinates of the vertex, is negative b over 2a. Having said that, h will be, we're going to substitute now. Instead of b, we're going to put 6. 2 times, instead of a, we're going to substitute 1. So the answer will be negative 3. Now, how we're going to find k? In order to find k, that is y coordinate of the vertex, which is the value of the function for h. So f of h. That means that we're going to substitute h equal negative 3 or x equal negative 3 to our function. So it's going to be negative 3 squared plus 6 times negative 3 plus 3. And by working out, negative 3 squared is 9, plus 6 times negative 3 is negative 18. 9 minus 18 is negative 9, plus 3, the answer will be negative 6. So h is negative 3 and k is negative 6. Then we're going to be able to write our function using the formula. Instead of a, we're going to put 1. We don't write 1, we know. So x, take away h or minus h. h is negative 3, so it's going to be x plus 3 squared plus k. k is negative 6, so minus 6. And that's how we convert a standard form to vertex form. Now let's take a look at the second example. F of x equal negative x plus 6x plus 1. Again, let's identify 1. A is negative 1. B is 6. And C is 1. And let's calculate h and k. Again, h is negative b over 2a. So in this case will be negative b is 6, 2 times negative 1. A is negative 1. So the answer here will be 3. K, let's calculate k. How much will be k? We're going to substitute 3. So it's going to be negative 3 squared plus 6 times 3 plus 1. So negative 3 squared is 9, negative 3 squared. So it's negative 9 plus 18. Negative 9 plus 18 plus 1. So the answer will be negative 9 plus 18 is 9 plus 1, 10. So k equal 10. Then our function could be negative, because a is -1, x minus 3, so x minus h squared, plus k, plus 10. So that's how, through these two examples, I explained that's how we could convert quadratic functions from standard form to vertex form. If you like my video, you can subscribe.